Maybe she's born with it, or maybe it's Maybelline. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be diving into my favorite Maybelline products. This is kind of like a full face of Maybelline as well, apart from the eyeshadows, because Maybelline is not in the game of eyeshadows. Anyway, their complexion products, their foundations and mascaras and lipsticks is just bomb. And they're quite affordable. So if you guys want to know how I create this simple look using all affordable Maybelline products, then please keep on watching. For those who are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Sunny and I create beauty and makeup related videos here on my channel for brown skin and hooded eyes. If that interests you, consider subscribing to this channel. Starting off with the primer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer, and I'm just gonna take a small amount and start working into my skin. This is the only Maybelline primer which I actually love. To be honest, this primer does not blur the skin, but it definitely hydrates perfectly. Okay, before moving into the foundation, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade medium, and I'm gonna take this small powder puff. Only apply a little bit of powder where I want to minimize some pores. You guys know Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless is the most popular foundation in their Fit Me range, but I'm not gonna be using this foundation. What I'm going to use is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. Now this is a full coverage foundation which has SPF of 50, which protects you from sun damage as well as from pollutants. Now the consistency of this foundation is quite liquidy, and the shade I'm using is 228 Soft Tan. I'm gonna take this dense foundation brush and start blending it into my skin. Even though it claims to be a full coverage foundation, but I feel that it is quite light onto the skin and doesn't feel really heavy. And whenever you use a foundation brush, make sure you just do these kind of patting motions because it's gonna provide you more coverage. Okay, to fill my brows, I'm gonna be taking this ultra slim brow pencil. This is in the shade Deep Brown. I'm just gonna brush these brow hairs up, start filling into the gaps. The formula of this brow pencil is really close to the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is the only drugstore brow pencil which I like and keep my brow really soft and natural. Okay, next for concealer, I'm going to take this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Now this is in the shade Sand. This is not my exact shade. This I use as to highlight under my eyes. Okay, this is too much. Also around a little bit of my mouth, a little bit of my chin, also, and then a little bit of my chin. Now this concealer is a multi-use concealer. You can use it to highlight your face. You can also use a darker shade if you want to use it for contouring, but I just have this one at the minute. So I'm going to take a sponge to start blending the product. I'm also going to use it as an eyeshadow primer because these eyes need a good amount of coverage. To bronzer contour, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Cafe. I'm going to use it just to create a soft browns moment to contour my nose. And using the same brush I used for my foundation, I'm going to just start pressing this into the skin to bring back some dimension back into the face. I'm going to just blend it ever so slightly. Alright, to set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. This is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm going to take a small tapered brush and start setting under the eyes. If you're a makeup beginner, this powder is really good to set your under eyes and it does not cake up on your skin. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go back into the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm going to take a small amount just like so, and I'm gonna take a powder brush, tap off the excess and set the rest of my face. Unfortunately, I don't have any Maybelline bronzer, so I'm gonna move right next into the blush. For my blush, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Wine. If you guys have medium to medium dark or deep skin tones, this blush is going to look really good on your skin. So I'm gonna take a small amount, and it has good pigment into that, which you're gonna see just right now. Do you guys see the color? I'm just going a little bit heavy because why the fuck not? Blush is the vibe for 2022 as it was in 2021, so just go ham with it. A little bit on my nose, because I like so. Like I said into the beginning of this video that Maybelline is not good into their eyeshadow game, so I'm gonna just do my eyeshadows off camera. It's gonna be really basic and I'm gonna be right back. You guys know if you have hooded eyes, eyeliner is like a big struggle, and Maybelline has a really infamous eyeliner. This is their Maybelline gel eyeliner, but I'm gonna show you guys the gem which I have used as an eyeliner today. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Eyeliner. So if you guys have hooded eyes and you struggle with the eyeliner, this is one of the best recommendations I can make. Okay, moving on for mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is a close dupe to my favorite Benefit Roller Lash. You guys see this brush has this kind of like a curl to it. Also the mascara bristles are really fine, and you guys, I friggin' don't have eyelashes at all, but this mascara works like wonders to my non-existing lashes. You know the mess I have created right now, I'm gonna flake it off once it's dried. I'm gonna quickly move into the next product, which is their Master Chrome Highlighter. Now this is the shade Molten Peach. It has a very rose gold, kind of like a peachy undertone. So I'm gonna take this small amount on a brush and just highlight like so, and it doesn't look ashy on my skin at all. So I'm gonna take it onto the other side, a little bit around my temples to make it more cohesive, and I'm just gonna highlight a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well. Next, for the lipstick, I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. Now this is in the shade Versatile, like I am, and the fragrance of this lipstick is like vanilla cookies. So you guys, these are some of my Maybelline favorite products. Let me know into the comment section below which are your favorite Maybelline products, or if you guys want me to do more affordable one brand tutorials here on my channel. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time.